You look quality photo light box on the market and latest model? Check out our top 5 picks. These boxes are perfect for anyone looking to take high-quality product or portrait shots. Plus, they're all affordable options that are sure to meet your needs. So let's get started with the list. List 9. Neewer Photo Studio Light Box. The Neewer Photo Studio Light Box is a professional light box that is convenient to use, portable, and can be easily assembled in seconds. Featuring 80 LEDs, a CRI of 85+, 6000 to 6500 K color temperature. The 20 inches times 20 inches times 20 inches, 50 times 50 times 50 centimeters, light box provides bright white light to showcase your products. The brightness adjustment knob on the power adapter allows you to conveniently adjust light brightness. The open front panel has 2 opening ways for horizontal shooting with minimized outside reflections. There is also a top opening for bird's eye view photos. Easily set up the light box with the hook and loop fasteners or by folding it down and carrying it wherever you go. The system provides bright white light to showcase your products without sacrificing quality. Easily set up the light box with the hook and loop fasteners. The open front panel has 2 opening ways for horizontal shooting with minimized outside reflections. List 2. Samtian Photo Light Box. Samtian Photo Light Box is a professional photography studio tent. It's composed of reflective fabric and features with an adjustable brightness dimmer, thus giving you more control over your lighting effects. With the lamp beads of 126 pieces 5500K LED beads and a service life of 50,000 H, this light box is sure to provide ample light for great photos. Samtian Photo Light Box is a perfect choice for outdoor events and indoor photography. Before using the backgrounds, roll them in opposite directions and flatten them to keep them in place and reduce curling. The frame of the shooting box can be set up by convenient joints, and the tent body is built with zippers. The light box has a reflective fabric, full lighting control, and high CRI, with 10% to 100% brightness dimmer. You can control the brightness of your light box with great ease. LED lamp beads with 13,000 lamps super bright provide ample light source to shoot photos easily and smoothly. List 9. RGB Portable Photo Studio 176 LED Light Box. The foldable button design makes it easy to assemble and store, offering soft, diffuse lighting to your subject, preventing dark spots and harsh shadows. This light box offers 7 special lighting scenes to enrich your shooting environment, including police car, ambulance, party, fireworks, and lightning. The first mode is where the color temperature is between 2400K and 6800K. The second mode includes 7 special lighting scenes. With this photo studio light, lets you shoot luxury picture anytime and anywhere. With a professional foldable design, it is easy and convenient to store. The soft and diffuse lighting makes your subject more stunning, less dark spots and harsher shadows. This light box provides 2 openings at the front and the top, enabling you to shoot at multiple angles, horizontal, vertical, or any other angle for getting more perfect product features and beauty. Furthermore, it offers 7 special lighting scenes to enrich your shooting environment, including fireworks and lightning. List number. Glendon Portable Photo Studio Light Box. The Glendon Portable Photo Studio Light Box is a portable and compact light box that provides bright, soft, natural, and beautiful light to your photos. It comes with 6 colored detachable backgrounds and 112 high-quality LED lights that give you versatile lighting settings, including a dimmer switch to adjust the brightness. Integrate 112 high-quality LED light beads with dimmable range 0 to 100. You can easily adjust the brightness to get the desired lighting effect. High color rendering index and no strobe create brighter and softer lights, help leave your photos looking more natural and great texture. Extra provided the special inner reflection board and light diffuser, which is the best practice for fixing the problem of products. Highly reflecting light and performing more details of the contours. The photography box dimension is 12 by 12 inches, with particular folding design. The whole assembly of portable ring light box only needs 10 seconds. List number 5. Yesker Photo Light Box. Yesker Photo Light Box is easily set up and foldable. Our all-in-one photo light box can be used in any location. Offering 126 pieces new SMD LED light beads off 13,000 LM. Super high brighter photo light box help you take pictures more clearly. With 10,000 hours lamp life, our light box is perfectly sealed, unaffected by weather or humidity. Dimmable photo light box, 10 brightness levels. Dimmable range 10% to 100%. Color temperature is 6,000 to 6,500 K, cold color. High color rendering index, CRI 95 plus and no strobe. Help your photos looking more natural and great texture. Our photo light box can be used to take pictures of various subjects. Not only do the powerful LEDs provide sharp and clear images, but it also comes with a dimmer function, so you can choose exactly how much light you want to use. The adjustable angle lets you get perfect lighting no matter where you are. The folding design makes transportation easy, while the 5mm thick aluminum alloy frame is incredibly strong.